Welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I'm swatching my acrylic brush markers that I got for Christmas. They were part of our White Elephant gift exchange, so my niece Kimberly had got these. I'm betting that she got them on Temu, but I'm not sure. She does buy from other places too, but they're definitely a made in China product. These ones do have color numbers and names, which is interesting because the other sets that I get from Temu never do. So, and they're water-based. It says it won't penetrate the paper, and it says to shake them before use, so I will do that. I'm gonna just, this video might take a little longer because this is a set of 24. There is some paperwork inside here, instructions. Of course, it's not going to make a lot of sense because, well, there's some frequently asked questions, the reason for things happening and so on. Interesting. Much more than you usually get. Let's see how they perform here. So it does say to shake. And I don't know if I want to go in some sort of an order. Might as well start with white. And I've done up a grid of 12 and then I divided it in half. I didn't think I needed. So the white is just barely showing up on the white cardstock. See how it covers on the black. Not too bad. If I let it dry and went over it again, I bet it would cover not too bad at all. See, so that's white. And then let's do some yellows. And there is like a window here that, so I guess so you can see how much ink is in it. Kind of. It must have a little ball inside there for mixing the paint. So not too bad for the opaqueness. Certainly not a solid on black. Got another yellow here. A little bit brighter. Now maybe because these do have numbers, but, oh yeah, the number's on the cap. So I'm gonna write the color number. 603 and 600. And that was 615. And then this one looks like it's almost a beigey yellow, like a mustard. Nice good coverage on that one. And that's 618. I'll let it dry for just a moment. Come back and do the numbers. Just don't want to get too far ahead of myself. This one looks to be a much more pumpkin orange. A little on the fluorescent side. That one's not very, they're pretty translucent or pretty Good coverage on the white, but not great coverage on the black. So that was 618. And this one's 604. And then this one looks to be a little towards the pinks. So Kimberly, if you're watching this video, comment down below and let us know where you got these. I haven't had a chance to ask you yet. And that one is 619. Let's do this one next. It's a pretty pink. Nice bubblegum pink, or Barbie pink. And this one's just a little paler. So 612. And this one's 655. This one has got a little bit more purple in it. Six. It still looks a little wet, so I'm going to wait. And that's a nice purple. And they do have a little click to let you know they're closed. It's important with markers. That one's got pretty good coverage. More solids in it, I would think. So this one is 613. And 607. You might not be able to see it, but you can in real life. And then we'll go into some blues. We'll start with like a purpley blue. Actually, I see a better one to start with here. I did splash a little dot there when I took the cap off. Oh, I like that. Like a dusty military blue with a little touch of purple. This one's much more brilliant. 617. I'm getting into some aquas. Pretty. So this one was 608. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really nice one. Might have to buy a 6-pack of that color. 616. 601. And then some greens. Let's start with this one. Ooh, that's pretty. A minty. Two, and this one was 614. And then we've got another one that's quite teal, I think. Nine. I'll put those two together. So I think I'm going to put black with this. No, maybe the red. And that's an interesting red. It's not a candy red. It's got a bit of a pinky tone to it. I bet you there's sets with more colors in them too. They're probably sets of 12, 24, 48, 96. And we'll do these other two greens. A little more sagey, it looks like. And this one has a bit more of a dark sage or a forest green look to it. Oh, very yellowy. I'd be interested to know if you always get the same 24 colors in the set of 24. This one looks like a beige or a copper. More of a beige, a little bit of a pinky hue. And then a nice black. Which is nice and black. Even shows up against the black cardstock, it's so black. So the beige one was 620. And the black one is 611. So that's those swatched. think I'm going to draw myself a few little flowers or something with them. Nah, I won't. I'm going to let that be. So if you've been thinking about trying the markers from, I assume Temu, check them out. That's what they look like. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.